This community loves to raise their voices and they love to speak out about the real issues that there are.
So I think it's really important for young people to have their voice in a project that doesn't usually involve them.
We've partnered up with the amazing Beyond the Box to deliver a programme for young people called Future Palace. We're currently entered stage 2 of the programme.
So at the start of this project, we were told to look for issues around the sports centre that we could think of prototypes and designs to improve upon.
The design innovators are looking at prototyping some of the design ideas that they've come up with. This is looking at the stadium in detail, such as seating, colour coding, wayfinding and navigating around the centre, including the National Stadium.
I'm prototyping an idea of a way to prevent the birds from coming in underneath the stadium roof, considering they leave a lot of mess. So I thought adding a sort of an anti-bird system on the roof to avoid birds from just staying there. So I'm going to be measuring out the beams on the roof to know what I need to order for the prototype testing.
My prototype and my concept is about signage for the Jubilee stand. So this is an example of the sketch. These patterns demonstrate a lovely marble effect with a big writing of Jubilee stand in the middle. The purpose of this is so that it can bring back the elegance and the attractiveness of the Jubilee stand again. I've designed 6 signs and hope to test the signs with the public in the hopes of getting feedback as to whether the signs are good visually. I'm using repurposed boards supplied by Crystal Palace for the bases.
When I first came into the stadium, I saw just blue. I thought it'd be maybe a bit more brighter to add more colours to add more iconic feel to the stadium.
And what I noticed, there was a real lack of storage solutions for local runners, athletes while they were training. So for my prototype, I designed to tackle that issue by making a portable locker design.
Prototyping this idea will help make it more accessible, make the environment cleaner.
Through looking at floor plans, through looking at what the architects are wanting, through looking at what the London Assembly are doing as well, and looking at all these different departments, I think coming together and trying to talk with the community and looking at what we can do to bring a change is what is important and is what is required.
We're at the Sports Centre today and we've been building our prototypes the past couple of days, as we can see here.
So I've done with my prototype. I've installed it in the front of the Jubilee stand.
So this is my Birditarian prototype model. I was able to make a steel beam and add some netting around it. I'm going to add some spikes to the other side, which is what I'm testing right now.
Today we've been out and about in the stadium at Crystal Palace National Sports Centre to ask the public on what they think of our prototypes. And I've gathered largely positive feedback with some good amendments that I can make with my locker if it was to be developed further.
Well, some people have said that if there was more of this, if it was bigger, which was quite common, that if it was bigger, easier to see from a distance, it'll make the Jubilee area stand out more and it'll just make people notice the signage more.
I'm looking forward to seeing this prototype develop as well as the new ideas that come with it.
Me being 17 and the fact that I'm able to be part of something like this makes me happy.
I think it's important young people are being involved in these projects.
We take pride in bringing young people on a journey with us. Future Palace programme was exactly that, giving young people a voice, an opportunity to shape what belongs to them, their community.
I really enjoyed this program. I really believe that us young people should really have experience like this. We're the next designers and users of these spaces, so it's only fair to include us in the process. So yeah, Beyond the Box is actually the perfect bridge between that.
Our Just Transition Fund has been used to commission Beyond the Box to do the Future Palace programme. That's where we've had young people from the age of 16 right up to 22, a whole range of young people with fresh eyes to have the next generation looking at all these different things that could enhance the National Sports Centre. It's just wonderful. It's almost revolutionary because we get to have those young voices having their ideas listened to, potentially taken forward.
The Crystal Palace project was a great experience for me, which was great to speak about what I've done. So especially the wayfinding, coming all together and seeing everyone again was great.
And we just presented our prototypes in the City Hall. I think it went really well. I was able to demonstrate and present all my ideas and my planning.
And today's event went really well. I met different people and I heard in-depth different designs that the Design Innovators were doing, which I really found cool. I had fun here.
So I'm really pleased with how my prototypes turned out. It's not at all what I expected. There's been a long design journey that we've gone through, and I'm really happy with how it's turned out.
I really enjoyed this event. I learned more about design. I saw some really cool designs like the benches, different colours, the lighting in the stadium.
Today I just presented my idea, my prototype, and they thought it was really a good way of actually prototyping it in the stadium, and I've got good results, so they were happy about that.
Got some really insightful feedback from the audience so far, and they're really excited to see how this develops.
Our consultants have joined in on this journey with us, from architects to M&E consultants. They've been helping these young people on this journey, showing them all about construction, all about design, and where they could potentially see themselves in the future.
It's been an incredible 4-month journey on the Future Palace programme with 20 young people living in the surrounding 5 boroughs of Crystal Palace, taking part in stage 1 and stage 2. To see their ideas and hear about their ideas today has been amazing. For Morgan Sindall to create opportunities like this at PCSA stage is incredible, and to give young people a voice is what this project is all about.
I am glad that I've been able to participate in this project. So yeah, I hope that was